We've got a voyeur joining us who's not in the break. All right, so we're recording. I'm going to open up these 3 Leaf Trinity boxes, 6 autos in each box. Then we'll do the random draft order. And I'm going to include the Turk in the draft order, even though I don't have confirmation yet. I don't have payment from everyone yet, but I'm not going to worry about that. I know where everyone lives.
I checked in to see what I'm missing.
Yeah, I was going to ask, did you have like an aneurysm or something? Why are you not in this?
Let me see if I can do this. I don't know how to turn my camera
I am
around.
recording this, Richard, so nothing too graphic, please.
Oh, no. I just, oh, there it is. Hold on.
Nice.
Ah,
Just it's not. It's way more technical than I am.
so I opened one of these boxes already, and the top 3 cards were autos, and the bottom 3 cards were patch autos. So I'm assuming the same for this. These are hard to open though. There we go.
Yeah, it works, Scott. Crawdad.
No, sir. I'm at volleyball camp.
All right, here we go. First one. Simon Muzziotti, Phillies.
Oh boy.
Starting off
The way to
big.
start.
Crawdad first round pick.
Boom.
Marco Luciano. This is
Mm.
numbered to 50. We've got a clear acetate. I don't think these are numbered. Nick Gonzalez.
That's cool.
Yep.
And we have 2 patches and then something different. I had 3 patches in my other box.
Redemption.
Ooh,
Ooh.
7 of 10, Jordan Walker with a button.
Button.
Wow.
Tanner McDougal. The nice patch. Not numbered.
White Sox, I'm guessing.
Who the hell's he?
I think he's White Sox.
Yeah. Come
Oh,
on
I
now.
know he's the number 9 pick is what he is.
That looks like an E, right?
It
That
does
wouldn't
look
be
like
from
an
his
E.
last name. Wouldn't be from his last name.
Could be
What
an
the
F.
hell?
And then the last card is a /99 Michael
Oh,
Harris.
there you go.
Whoa.
Uh-oh.
Look at
That
that.
moved up to number 1.
53 of 99. Blue, Michael Harris.
Claim.
That's nice.
I don't think you could talk.
Got done with dinner. Now I'm all talking. That was a pretty good first box, eh?
Yeah. Pretty cool.
What are we in Canada?
Hey.
I was watching, I was
Hey,
watching a Canadian show. Excuse me.
What do you have? Fries and gravy or what?
Poutine.
Oh,
Poutine.
No, actually, it was Farmers in a Strip Club. That's what I was watching.
Salmon's ready in 1 minute, so let's go. Let's go.
That was a
Sandwich
nice
is
first box.
ready.
Salmon.
That's a nice one.
Oh, the salmon.
Yeah, that's cool.
All right,
So you have
box
a-
one.
A salmon sandwich, are you?
No, I got salmon in the sous vide.
Well, I think it's gonna be overcooked if you don't do something.
Well, the good thing about sous vide is that it doesn't overcook. You can sit in that water bath for an hour and it's still fine.
For real.
Yep.
I hate dried out salmon. Overcooked
But
salmon.
it doesn't keep cooking. It just takes it up to the right temperature, then it stays at that temperature.
You all fancier than I am.
Yep, that's what I said. Although if you want to come up to Pennsylvania and cook, I mean, I'm not going to stop you.
Yeah, give me some ribs and hey, I never did see a finished product there from that brisket.
I didn't get a chance to take the picture.
Yeah, I rushed through lasagna tonight. I shouldn't have rushed.
All right. Box two.
Good luck, boys.
Chase Petty.
Jobber.
Perfect game. That's 07 of 10. Former
pick.
Twin, now Reds, I think,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
Hey,
Another clear. Hedbert.
Hmm.
Numbered.
Not numbered, and it's kind of
Looks like you could wipe that off with.
he didn't use a great
Yeah.
Sharpie. And we have four patches in this box. Number to 99, Wilman Diaz.
That's a sexy card.
yeah, I like that. Are they sticker or is that on card?
That's sticker.
Pretty patch.
Gunnar Hoagland, Blue Jays. Aurelvis Martinez, Blue Jays to 75.
Oh, wow.
What a beautiful patch again. Jeez.
And Harry Ford to 75. That's a nice patch too.
Damn!
Michael, is that the top of the S?
Yeah, it looks like it. It looks doesn't look. It looks like cream colored though. That's weird.
This is green.
It's like gold.
Yes.
This is gold.
Oh, gold. I don't know what that would be from though.
Well, I've already counted at least 8 cards that I think all of us would be fine getting as our pick.
I'm going to go off patches.
Patches O'Houlihan.
I mean, she's not bad.
I thought that was the guy from Dodgeball.
It is the guy from Dodgeball.
Maybe. But
Isn't there a
there's
girl on Twitter called
There's a girl on
Patches
Twitter.
too?
Yeah, there is.
Oh,
Oh,
That's what I was talking about.
I was talking about the guy from Dodgeball.
yeah. Dr.
Right.
Well, if you get a
Dr.
chance, check
Ball.
out the Twitter girl.
Box
Yeah,
three.
she got some good mommy milkers.
No, I'm the other person. Shit.
All right, good luck. Adrian Del Castillo, Diamondbacks, I believe, that's numbered to 50.
Go
Red.
Canes.
Say that again.
Go Canes.
Oh, yeah?
Hurricanes, baseball, college.
Okay. Robert Hassel, the third
Nice.
Base.
base. A clear acetate. Matthew Nelson Green to 75.
Wait by your
This is-
chair.
This is the first clear one that I've opened that's been numbered.
No, the Michael Harris one.
Oh, right. All right.
Yeah.
My bad. All right. And we have 2 patches and then another hopefully good
That is what it
numbered
is.
card.
Good.
Angel Martinez. He's Cleveland,
Recognize that signature anywhere now.
53
Yeah.
99.
2 circles?
There's a-
It's like he's drawing a whale.
Jesus.
You should have played for San Diego.
Ty Madden, numbered to 75.
Tiger Great.
And the last card, number 18. We have a Brady House to 99.
Hmm.
Well, this is going to be an interesting draft.
Yeah, that.
A lot of good cards.
So, do we know if this Turk guy's in? Because I'll buy half a spot.
I think the Turk guy was Kurt's. He wants 2 spots.
Oh. So it's Kurt.
All of us,
Okay.
all of us were just too dumb to catch on, except for Stopper.
He's gone radio silent, though. I have not heard from him.
Yeah, he's working in Midland, Odessa right now. But
I'll text him. Hold on.
It's all right. I did.
So it tastes good. It looks stuffing, huh?
I'll do the quick recap and then I'll do the draft order and then we can go offline from the Zoom and do the draft in a group that I'll just set up for the people in the break.
perfect.
All right. So here's what
Hey,
we
will
got.
you do like pictures in the group thread or something so we can reference that?
Maybe. All right. So we've got the Simon Muzziotti base, Marco Luciano to 50. Nick Gonzalez clear, not numbered. Michael Harris clear to 99 blue. The Jordan Walker button 7 out of 10. And the Tanner McDougal not numbered. Box 2. Chase Petty numbered 7 out of 10. Hedbert Perez, clear. Wilman Diaz to 99, Dodgers, patch. Gunnar Hoagland, Toronto. Orelvis Martinez, Toronto. 75, 65 of 75. And Harry Ford, 30 of 75. And box 3. Angel Martinez, patch to 99. Ty Madden, patch 30 of 75. Adrian Del Castillo, red to 50. 9 of 50. Robert Hassel, base. Matt Nelson, clear. Reds to 75. And Brady House, Nationals to 99. We did get some good cards. All right, so let me change this over. Get rid of my camera and share my screen. Can you guys see that?
Yep.
See,
All right. We'll go for 6 or greater on the dice roll. 11. Make sure I've got everyone in here. Scooter, Kurt, Byron, Tanner, Crawdad, Stoffer, Matt, Michael, and Truck. That's
It's
9.
just Kurt's backwards,
I
guys.
was gonna say, now I get it.
Oh my God, I never got that. All right, so 11 times. First one listed will pick first and last. We'll snake back. And I'll drop this in a break DM. Let's see. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's the next one. 11. Stoffer, Michael, Scooter, Kurt and Turk, Crawdad, Tanner, Byron, and Matt. Not
Love
bad,
going
Byron.
I love going from 1st to 8th on the last die roll.
I went from 9 to 1.
Yeah, that's awesome.
All right, you did. All right, I'm going to stop the Zoom here, I guess. And I'll post pictures. And we'll do this. I guess we can do our draft during the game.
Sounds good.
All right.
Sounds good, everyone.
Thanks,
Thank you.
guys.
Thanks.
I'm at